Have you ever noticed how contagious yawning is? But why do we yawn in the first place? Yawning is your body's clever way of waking itself up. When you're tired, bored, or even just seeing someone else yawn, your brain might not be getting enough oxygen. Yawning takes in a big gulp of air, which helps cool down your brain and brings in more oxygen. This makes you feel more alert and refreshed. It's like your body's natural reset button, helping you focus and stay awake when you need a little boost. So, next time you yawn, remember, it's your brain hitting refresh.